Geese are waterfowl belonging to the tribe Anserini of the family Anatidae. This tribe comprises the genera Anser, Branta and Chen. A number of other birds, mostly related to the shelducks, have goose as part of their name. More distantly related members of the Anatidae family are swans, most of which are larger than true geese, and ducks, which are smaller. Etymology. The word goose is a direct descendant of Proto-Indo-European root, gans. In Germanic languages, the root gave Old English gaus with a plural gaus and ganders, New High German gans, gar currency nse, and ganta, and Old Norse gales. This term also gave Lithuanian angstrom 3/4 as rs, Irish gar copyright, Latin Anser, Greek II registered trademark I1/2/kn, Dutch gans, Albanian garter, Sanskrit hamza and hamsi, Finnish hanhi, Avestan zar angstrom, Polish gar and registered trademark angstrom, Russian th³ den florin n no, Czech husa, and Persian lz. The term goose applies to the female in particular while gander applies to the male in particular. Young birds before fledging are called goslings. The collective noun for a group of geese on the ground is a gaggle. When in flight, they are called a skein, a team or a wedge. When flying close together, they are called a plump. True geese. There are 3 living genera of true geese: Anser, grey geese, including the domesticated goose and the swan goose; Chen, white geese; and Branta, black geese, such as the Canada goose. 2 genera of geese are only tentatively placed in the Anserini. They may belong to the shelducks or form a subfamily on their own: Cereopsis, the Cape Barren goose, and Cnionis, the prehistoric New Zealand goose. Either these or, more probably, the goose-like Coscarobus swan is the closest living relative of the true geese. Fossils of true geese are hard to assign to genus. All that can be said is that their fossil record, particularly in North America, is dense and comprehensively documents many different species of true geese that have been around since about 10 million years ago in the Miocene. The aptly named Anser otavus from some 12 million years ago had even more plesiomorphies in common with swans. In addition, there are some goose-like birds known from subfossil remains found on the Hawaiian Islands. Geese are monogamous, living in permanent pairs throughout the year. However, unlike most other permanently monogamous animals, they are territorial only during the short nesting season. Paired geese are more dominant and feed more, 2 factors that result in more young. Other birds called geese. There are a number of mainly southern hemisphere birds called geese, most of which belong to the shelduck subfamily Tadorninae. These are, Orinoco goose, Neocon jubata, Egyptian goose, Alopecan aegyptiacus, the South American shelled geese, genus Cloephaga, the prehistoric Madagascar shelled goose, Centrornis majori, the woodbird, the spur-winged goose, Plectropterus gambensis, is most closely related to the shelducks, but distinct enough to warrant its own subfamily, the Plectropterinae. The blue-winged goose, Sunicon cyanopterus, and the Cape Barren goose, Cereopsis novaelandii, have disputed affinities. They belong to separate ancient lineages that may ally either to the Tadorninae, Anserinae, or closer to the dabbling ducks. The 3 species of small waterfowl in the genus Notapus are named pygmy geese, for example the cotton pygmy goose. They seem to represent another ancient lineage, with possible affinities to the Cape Barren goose or the spur-winged goose. A genus of prehistorically extinct sea ducks, Shendites, is sometimes called diving geese due to their large size. The unusual magpie goose is in a family of its own, the Anserini. The northern gannet, a seabird, is also known as the Solent goose, although it is a bird unrelated to the true geese, or any other anseriforms for that matter. See also, angel wing, a disease common in geese. Domestic goose, which includes cooking and folklore, flying geese paradigm, list of anseriforms by population, list of goose breeds, waterfowl, wildfowl, references. Further reading, Carboneras, Carls. Family Anatidae. In Del Hoyo, Joseph. Elliott, Andrew. Sargatal, Geordie. Handbook of Birds of the World. Volume 1, Ostrich to Ducks. Barcelona, Lynx Editions PPA 536 €629. ISBN A84-87334-10-5. Tes, John K. National Audubon Society, 1980. The Audubon Society Encyclopedia of North American Birds. New York, Wings Books. ISBN A0-517-03288-0. External links, Anatidae Media on the Internet Bird Collection.